Hey guys, Matt here, and today we're going to be unboxing the MSI Z97 SLI Krait Edition motherboard. So this is the box that the motherboard comes in, and this is a black and white motherboard, so it's perfect for those black and white themes. CPU port that it has on it is the LGA 1150, as we'll see on the back here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Here's a picture of the motherboard. Here it has its military class. You can have multi GPUs. You have faster storage because it has an M.2 port. You have various SATA ports. You got your keyboard and mouse port. You got your LAN. We'll take a look closer on the motherboard itself. Supports SLI, 4K UHD, OC Genie 4, military class 4 motherboard, command center, and AMD Crossfire. So the CPU it supports is the 4th and 5th generation Intel Core processors and Intel Pentium, as well as Intel Celeron. And the socket it has is LGA 1150, has Intel 97 chipset, has 2 PCIe ports, has HDMI, DVI, D-sub. It supports 4 DIMMs, dual channel memory, DDR3 3200 maximum. It has expansion slots of 3 PCIe and 2 PCI slots, as well as 1 M.2 slot, which I already mentioned. It has 6 SATA ports that are 6 gigabits per second, and it has 2 ports that are reserved for SATA Express, and it supports RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10. It has 6 USB 3.0 ports and 6 USB 2.0 ports. Has LAN of 10, 100, and 1000 megabits per second, and it has 8-channel audio or 7.1 surround sound. So enough at looking at the box. Let's go ahead and open it. And there we have the motherboard. So let's take out the motherboard, put it off to the side, and take a look at what we have in the box. So just lift this cover off, and here we have the I/O shield. Sadly it's silver, so if you have a black case it's going to stand out. You have 2 SATA cables, one is angled and one is straight. You got your drivers and instruction manual for all the different post codes and everything. So here is the motherboard. It's a very, very, very nice motherboard, black and white. Let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic. And there is the motherboard. Wow. That is a really, really nice motherboard. Close these. It's really nice. So here you have your 2 PCIe slots, 3 PCIe Express, and then 2 regular PCI. Here you have your 4 RAM slots. You got your CPU fan here, another CPU fan. You have your 8-pin connector from your power supply. You got your 24-pin from your power supply, USB 3.0, and more ports down here like your fan, your USB 2.0. And then on this side you got your SATA, and here you have your CPU slot. Wow, that is a nice motherboard.